trades and then bought the account. Guess what?
One mentor. This would have saved.
I ain't gonna lie, he would probably be the best mentor for y'all, because this man looked like a straight cartoon character. I swear to God, I would. What's good? It's your bro Lo, and I'm bringing you guys another saucy video. You know what I'm saying? Alright, as you guys can see from the title, today we are reacting to how I make 100K ICT trading if I had to start over again. This is by PB. Let me see. PB Trading, you feel me? I wanted to watch this video, but I'd rather just react to it since I'm already gonna watch it, you feel me, and see what's up with them. I've seen them a little bit, just a little bit, around, you know what I mean? But this is like my actual first time actually watching one of their videos, so let's get right into the video.
We went from being fucking broke, dumb teenagers to making hundreds of thousands of dollars in profits.
Alright, listen. I'm gonna let y'all know right now, if this is more going towards marketing, I'ma just say it's an L video. But if it's more about trading, if they're actually talking about some real shit, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm gonna say W video. Hey, even if it is marketing a little bit of trading too, I'm gonna still give it W video. But if it's giving just straight scam, like they just wanna get you to buy something and then that's it, you know what I'm saying? They're not giving no value, L video. You know what I'm saying?
ICT trading.
But if I lost it all, I'm going to share with you these 7 proven strategies and lessons that I've learned to make it back in half the time.
Bro look like a Muppet, I ain't gonna lie to you.
So if you can't sit your ass down for these 10 minutes and lock in on this free sauce, then I'll be real.
Bro, why is he's so happy?
With you. You'll continue to make these same rookie mistakes to keep 99% of traders from ever breaking through. So let's get into this, baby.
Alright, let's get it. I fuck with them though. I fuck with them.
Is that you need to submit to the process, because if you're so focused on the goal, you'll be distracted from advancing every day as a person. Trading is one of those skills where you will put in 1,000 hours to make no money to then be able to make $1,000 within an hour. When I was first starting to learn how to trade, I lost thousands of dollars, and this is almost inevitable.
Shit, me too, bro. I done lost about 12,000 goddamn dollars, like, or more than that. I don't know how much I done lost. That's how much I lost, because I was just taking money, going right to challenges, just fucking that shit up.
Most people,
bro, I swear to God.
Right? I spent countless money on evals. I started off trying to learn Forex, wasn't for me, then switched over to futures. I had invested nearly all my time into it just to not see any results. Eventually, after 9-10 months,
I like this necklace though.
I was genuinely able to consistently follow my rules and have my psychology in check for longer than a month or two, and I was able to make back all the money that I had lost.
Everyone's journey is different, and don't compare your
Oh,
journey
he nasty with hey, he nasty. Okay. He can put the receipts with it and everything. I can't even. Hey, W video already.
At the end of the day, if you only focus on the steps that are necessary, that are going to take you to become a profitable trader, then you will get there. I know this may sound corny, but the second thing that really saved my trading career was locking in on one model and one mentor. This would have saved.
I ain't gonna lie, he would probably be the best mentor for y'all, because this man looked like a straight cartoon character. I swear to God, I love learning from people that just look like straight cartoon characters, straight Muppet shit. You feel me? I'll listen to them all day.
Maybe so much time if just at the beginning I decided to follow one person on YouTube, because I was strategy hopping at first. I was on YouTube looking at so many different people's strategy, and if one didn't work for 1 week, to another one. And instead, you just need to trust in the model and trust in the system that has a proven win rate and stick with that.
The problem nowadays is that there is so much information online and none of it is filtered for you. So it's like, how do you genuinely know where to look? The second you find someone.
Yo, they've been doing this. Are they together? Because they look like they've been doing this for a minute. Like, look. They look older here. And then they just...
for you. So it's like, how do you genuinely know where to look?
Hold on. Like, they've been in a 30-year relationship. You know what I'm saying? Hey, listen, I have no problems with gay people. That has nothing to do with trading. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just wondering, like, are they together?
When you find someone who you feel you can relate to, who you feel you can trust, let them give you their hand and guide you in the right direction.
And you guys also should definitely try to find a tight-knit community that you can relate to, you know,
Real
maybe
shit.
people within your age range.
That's probably where they found each other, because, you know, I got my trading homies too. You know,
when you join a community or you learn from someone that has this filtered information, your success rate is going to be so much higher than everyone else's.
If you can just get yourself to master the information that already is proven viable, Bible, your only goal is to readapt that into your own, right? That's what
shit.
I did with Blake. Everything that he taught me, I digested it in a different way that he might have digested.
See, he was his teacher, you know what I'm saying? That's why he got all them payouts, because he was straight listening to whatever this man had to say.
But then I made it my own, a way that I could understand it better, the way I could execute it better, and then see results myself.
So if you want to get 6 figures in profit with trading, I'm telling you the fastest way to do that is just by sticking with one mentor and one model. So the third step that I would do is to start backtesting like it's your job. At first, I wouldn't even go into the live markets. I would go on a backtesting software where I can practice my strategy there and start seeing the results there myself.
This some real shit though, because like if you're not comfortable with you backtesting is like you shooting free throws, you know what I'm saying, on the basketball. You trying to learn your form and shit. That's it, man. Just if you backtest, man, you'll get it like this, you know what I'm saying? That's what I did.
You're gonna build conviction and trust in a winning system is by testing it out yourself to see if it actually succeeds. You need to keep backtesting that strategy until you feel highly convicted in it. You can produce that win rate that the strategy is backed behind, and then you can execute it with confidence in the live markets. But it all starts with backtesting first, like it's your fucking job.
So if you want to follow my footsteps and copy exactly what I did, here it is. So once you found the model you want to learn, go into a reputable trading and backtesting software. You can use ChartChamps.
ChartChamps is a great way to backtest.
Don't tell me y'all affiliated with them, cause I ain't never heard of this website before.
That's because you can compete against other traders too. You can play with your friends and backtest at the same.
Oh, hold on. This kind of sound dope.
Data and see who can perform better.
So once you're on there, every single day, backtest that model and do 1 week worth of data every day. That's what I did. Now, what you also should be doing is trading the session that you're actually going to be trading during live markets. For example, I trade New York AM session. That's from 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. I'm not going to backtest Asia session or London session at,
Yo, he giving some real nuggets, bro. Like, really tap into what he's saying.
6 p.m. my time. I'm going to backtest the sessions that I'm going to be trading live.
Because when I started out, I made this mistake. I would trade AM session, then I would trade PM session, I would trade London session. I try to trade every fucking session. The more sessions does not equate to the more money or the better you will get. You don't want to be trading like it's a 9 to 5. You don't want to be clocking 6 hours on the charts. You didn't do this to strip away your freedom. You started trading because you wanted freedom. Don't become a slave to the charts. We just had one of our students 2 months after the mentorship make 45K.
I know what they doing. You know what? I respect it. At least they giving some real knowledge and they got the receipts to back this shit up. You know what I'm saying? At least. Oh shit. My fault, y'all. I had to fix I had to set up my other monitor so I could actually move my OBS over here so I could keep track of all of this. But yeah, let's.
2 months after the mentorship, make 45K in 1 month. The month before, he made 40K. That's $85,000 in 2 months. Only 2 months.
Man, let me be y'all student.
And you want to know the best part?
Hey, let me be y'all student, man. But let me get it for the free though. You know what I'm saying? Cause like, yeah, you know what I mean. Like, hey, I ain't Bill Gates. You know what I'm saying? These little payouts, they gotta go to me scaling. So you know what I'm saying? Nah, I'm just playing. I ain't that greedy.
This dude is in his fucking 40s with 2 kids, a wife, and he works as a teacher. And if that doesn't prove to you that you are not too late and you just need to start right now, then I don't know what to tell you, man. Step number 4, open a demo account and build screen time. Without tapping into a demo account first, your emotions will sabotage your future executions because you have not built any comfort in actually executing yet.
So listen to me, open a demo account first. Don't be a dumbass and start putting in real risk on the market, because sure, you can be profitable
like me
during backtesting, but live markets is a whole nother thing. When I first started
everybody else that I know
trading, I immediately bought so many evaluations and challenges, and I lost thousands and thousands of dollars right off the bat, thinking I'm really good at this. I don't need paper trading. I don't need none of that. And what happened? The market humbled the fuck out of me, just like it will humble the fuck out of you if you don't just drop your ego and open up.
Damn, like I know, yeah. Like I feel attacked. Like even though like he said humble you. You know what I'm saying? Like, but that's the truth though. That's the truth. Like the market gonna humble you, man. And it still humble me to this day. So yeah, just if you a new trader, just be prepared for this shit, bro. I swear to God, to
build that screen time. So the exact steps that I would take is go on tradingview.com. It's gonna say
damn all them gaps.
From there, I would simulate a funded.
Don't go to that chart. Don't try to trade that chart though. All them goddamn gaps, bro. I hate stocks. How stocks are. Like it's just hella gaps. Like I don't know how people would day trade this.
Go on tradingview.com. It's going to say paper trading there. From there, I would simulate a funded account with these evaluation style rules.
For example, alpha futures rules, right? This is one of my favorite prop firms to trade with. They're 50K accounts. The profit target is $3,000. The max drawdown is $2,000. What does that mean? You have to make 6% without losing 4%. You're going to apply these rules to your
I hate prop firms like that. I rather do like prop firms that like 2,500 and 2,500. You know what I'm saying? Like 50K account, 2,500, 2,500. 3,000, 2,000, that's cool, bro. I need at least 2,500. I need that extra two. The extra 4 trades if I'm risking a quarter and 125. You feel me?
paper trading account to your demo account and try to pass the account, pass the paper trading account. You're gonna go in every day and treat it like you're in an evaluation phase with your paper trading account. You're gonna have a $50,000 paper trading account. You're gonna risk 0.5% about, so that's $250 per trade, and you're gonna try to make $3,000 without ever dropping down $2,000 to $48,000.
And try to do this passing challenge twice before you actually go ahead and buy your real account. And please, guys, do not miss this step, or else I'm telling you, you will lose a lot of money. And listen, I know you might have heard this before, and you might even get mad when I say this, but you can do everything I told you in this video. But if you don't journal, none of it will matter.
Because
Hey, some people, you know, you do have the it doesn't fit the rule. What is it? Doesn't fit the rule? Not everybody fits the rule. You know what I'm saying? So some people don't have to journal. They just built the experience without journaling. But it takes them a lot more time, I think, to pick up things faster or pick up their mistakes a little faster. Journaling, you pick the shit up way faster. Like, once I really started journaling, I swear to God, like, I thought the same shit too. Like, okay, I don't have to journal. I don't have to do this. I don't have to backtest. I don't have to. But that's just me being a little lazy. But once I really started actually journaling, actually backtesting I did first, but journaling, that shit was like reading a book for me as a kid. Like, nigga, I didn't like reading books. I just like playing video games and visual. Like, I like visual shit. I didn't like thinking with my brain. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look, I'm a trader and I didn't, you know what I'm saying? But look, I didn't like doing it. You know what I mean? But by reading it, it trains your brain. Like, if you read shit, like read certain books and shit, it helps you learn quicker because it works your brain. You know what I'm saying? So same thing with trading and journaling. If you journal, you figure out shit faster.
By journaling, you're able to recognize patterns in your mistakes. You're also able to recognize patterns in the times you succeed.
When I was first learning my model, I was completely lost on why my win rate was so bad. And I could have saved myself so much time if I actually just journaled.
Hey, and because I didn't read, don't make me stupid. God damn.
Every single trade that I took to start implementing rules into my system that just increased my win rate. I'm gonna tell you guys the exact way that I journaled every single day that made me the profitable trader that I am today. So the first thing you have to do is journal every single day. Win or loss, it does not matter. When you wake up in the morning, write out your daily bias and your plan coming into the day. This is gonna help you set your framework so you're not coming into the market completely blind. Here's an example of what my daily bias looks like every single day. This is what I sent out to the community, and this is just to give us a framework about what I'm looking for coming into the day.
And if you get in the habit of journaling even before you get into your trades, right? Start journaling where your psychology is at, what you want to see going into the day, then you can always refer back to it and remember, okay, this is what I want to look for going into this session. That way you're not super confused and lost while you're trading, trying to find your setup.
So once you actually place your trade for the day, here's what you're going to write down. Number one, you got to show your screenshots. So show those executions.
Yeah, I do that.
On the lower time
frame. I do that. I do that.
After. Now write down what was the story, right? What was the narrative behind?
Nah, I don't do this. I don't do this shit. I'm sorry, but that's too much. You know what I'm saying? I like I'm already trading. I don't feel like You know what? Maybe. Nah. I ain't doing that shit.
On your trade, why are you even taking this trade in the first place?
And I can't emphasize it enough. If you can't even explain why your stop loss is where it is, or where your take profits were and why they were there, then you're doing something wrong. If there's no narrative, there's no strategy. You are gambling.
You know what?
Break down
You
all
right,
the
man.
technical confluences that you had going into the trade, whether that was a sweep of liquidity, you had some sort of inversion for value gap, whatever your model is that you're trading, write those confluences down. Next up, write down.
You know what? He right. He right. Okay. You know what I'm saying? I'm a degenerate. Don't listen to me. I'm a degenerate.
On your risk management. I know for me personally, I was risking way too much at the start and I didn't even realize it until I started journaling. And it's going to give you a lot clearer picture on how your risk management actually is. And finally, this is the most important step. You have to talk about your psychology when you're journaling. So talk about the before.
Hey, bro got that trader back. Like, look, he got the hunchback of Notre Dame. This is what happened when you sit on the chart for 24 hours. This is what happened when you make $1 million off a trade, or 100K off a trade. And this is gonna come with it. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is the. So be prepared to look like the hunchback of Notre Dame. You feel me?
How were you feeling before you took this trade? Were you scared? Or did you have no hesitation going into the trade? And then after the trade, were you happy? Did you follow your rules? Did you follow your system? And do you feel good about that trade? Or do you feel like this is not a trade I should have taken?
And there's always one question I ask myself all the time, and it's, will I be mad at myself if I lose this trade? This question to me has prevented me from taking...
That's actually a good question, because once I started asking that, like, that made me be like, okay, I'm not gonna take that trade. Like, is it really worth it taking this trade? Like, and if I get, why would I get mad off of this trade? Does it fit all my rules? If it fits all my rules, then I'm not gonna get mad about the trade. You know what I'm saying? But if I'm just taking it because, nigga, whatever, it's because it didn't fit my rules, and I'm gonna get mad. You know what I'm saying?
So many emotional and unnecessary trades, because there are times where we don't realize we're acting on the feeling of wanting to trade and not the fact that we should be taking this trade. Every single one of my students has a journaling section in the Discord where they can post all their trades, and I give them accountability partners.
Just become a student, y'all, at this point. You know what I'm saying? Because look, listen, all his students seem like they doing great. You know what I'm saying? Because he keep mentioning his students. You know what I'm saying? So just become a student. You know what I'm saying? Dead ass, for real. I'm dead ass serious. I might become a student. Don't throw it. I'm like how much they charge? Hold on, let me see. How much these? Join the 1% mentorship. Hold on, let's see. Okay, click here to join the 1%. Get one-on-one. Oh, one-on-one mentorship. But why not the 1-on-2? I'm trying to have a twosome. You know what I'm saying? How about both of y'all? I gotta put my first. I don't feel like doing all this. Ah, damn. I'm going back.
Where they have to make sure they're both journaling, because a day skipped in journaling is a step backwards from your 100K month, all right? Like, you need to document your journey. That's how you know if you're on the right path or not. How the fuck are you gonna know if you're not even fucking journaling?
So once you have done all those things, the second to last step to getting that first 100K profit from trading, you're going to want to buy your first challenge account. Now, because it is your first one, I do recommend you get a $50,000 account. This is going to be
this is like after all of that.
Futures, it's $79, and the return on investment you're going to get on that is absolutely crazy.
But with code PB25, you can get 25% off if you're a new user. So,
and I'm telling you guys, it's okay if you blow your first challenge. I've blown literally.
It's not okay. It's not okay, because trust me, when I blew my first challenge, it was not okay. You know,
hundreds of challenges when I first started trading, but at the end of the day, the majority of these challenges are designed to make you fail.
But if you started by backtesting and then going to demo account and proving that you can pass accounts on paper trading, and then journaled your paper trades and then bought the account, guess what? It ain't gonna take you very long to pass the damn account. But now that you've moved on from a paper trading to a 50K challenge account, don't let that psychological shift that you have now placed risk on the table by buying this account and that you don't want to lose it, don't let that affect the way that you trade. You just proved yourself to be successful on paper trading, simulating the challenge. This is no different.
But when he be talking so aggressive with his hands, he like chopping his karate chopping his goddamn hand.
You just proved yourself to be successful
You know what I'm
on
saying?
paper
Like,
trading, simulating the challenge. This is no different. This time, the only difference is that you paid to have this account. And if you pass it, you can start making a lot of money. So you need...
Like, when some people talk, they be too aggressive with their hands. Like, if you're going to talk with your hands, you got to kind of, like, come a little gentle. You know what I'm saying? Come a little... Cause like him doing all this and like coming at me, I feel like he coming at me like, nigga, back up. Like, nigga, if we was in real life, like I'm gonna be like, all right, man, like, goddamn.
To just stick to those rules that you were sticking to before, and whether you pass or
Like,
fail,
I get it.
doesn't matter. It is still an investment towards that long-term goal. When I passed my first account, I was up thousands of dollars on it. Immediately, my ego was so inflated and I thought I had it all figured out, and I ended up blowing all that money, losing the account, and was unable to pass an account for a while, and I felt like I took 100 steps backwards.
God damn it. My fault, y'all.
So hard, and it's because I let that psychological shift get to me.
So finally, once you've passed that account, you're gonna do the same exact things that you did on demo and then that you did on that funded account to get that payout. And withdraw that payout whenever it's available, even if it's a couple $100s, even if it's just that activation fee so you can get back to being break even on that account, withdraw that money. I'm telling you, it's going to be the best feeling ever.
Because now that you've gotten one payout, this is the part where it gets a little bit fun. You reinvest that money and you buy more accounts. And you're gonna stack more accounts, right? Whether that's 2 accounts, 3 accounts, 4 accounts, 5 accounts, and you're going to copy trade these accounts. You can make $100,000 without changing anything but the fact that you added more accounts, scaled it, and copied.
Real shit.
That is
Real
the
shit.
way.
And if you guys want the best copy trader in the game right now, I'm telling you, Trade Syncer is what me and Patrick are.
All right, man. Is that all of it? Oh no, my fault.
Place a trade on one account being your lead account, and then it copies to all of your accounts.
Oh yeah, he talking about
You
the
gotta-
trade copier type
So
shit.
that
Okay.
Making said, we have given you guys the exact steps that you need to.
All right, that's it, man. Hey, W video. You know what I'm saying? Hey, listen, all jokes aside, this was a W video. They gave really, really good advice. You know what I mean? I think you guys should check them out if you guys enjoyed, you know, the video and me reacting to the video. You feel me? Go check them out. PB trading, you feel me? Type shit. You know what I'm saying? And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, sub to the motherfucking channel. You know what I'm saying? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. I'm out.